Hello friends, in today's video I'm gonna be walking through how to fix Newpipe not working problem. So first of all, open your phone settings and search for app management. Once you get it, tap on that. Now tap on Newpipe, tap on power saver and select here allow background running. Tap on back, tap on storage usage, clear cache, clear data, clear, and now go to your Newpipe app and check the problem if fixed or not. And the second solution is we need to install Newpipe legacy app. To do that, go to your browser, type here Newpipe APK download, tap on Newpipe, scroll down, and here you will find this Newpipe legacy app. So all you have to do is just tap on it to download this app to your device, and you will need to install this app, and that's how we can fix this problem. If this video helped you, give a thumbs up and please consider subscribe to 5-minute solution. Thank you for watching.